Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Solo. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. Babes Wodumo's family has allegedly bashed Mampintsha's mother and her sister Pinky and alleged that she could be faking her illness. Now, it was reported that she collapsed following her son's death, Mampintsha, after she was denied access to his body during the funeral arrangements. Since then, you guys, she hasn't been feeling well after she was rushed to the hospital. And now, according to Zimoja, the publication, Mampintsha's sister Pinky revealed to them allegedly that Zama has been diagnosed with TB and she also suffered a stroke which has affected her liver. She said her mom also lost her memory and is asking for Mampintsha, her son, who died a couple of weeks ago. She forgot that her son actually passed away. Babes Wodumo's sister Nondumiso Sumelane believes that she, Mampintsha's mother, is faking her illness. She has also dragged Mampintsha's sister Pinky for fueling the fight between Babes Wodumo and Mampintsha's mom. She said this, you guys, and I quote, "If she was really sick, Pinky would call us and tell the family. Why has no one phoned us? Pinky has a big problem. She is the evil sister-in-law that nobody wants. She wanted to choose a wife for Mandla, and when that didn't happen, she made sure she made life difficult for everyone. Babes even tried to make peace with the mother-in-law, but Pinky got in the way of that. Babes sent groceries during the funeral arrangements, but she is still ungrateful. She's going around telling people we received Mandla's live cover, but we did not." Anyways, you guys, please do share your thoughts down in the comment section below. Also, subscribe if you have not yet done so. I will definitely see you on my next upload. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.